It's amazing all the sounds you hear, and this sandhill crane is standing right in front of me, not 5 feet from me. Amazing. It must be a juvenile. Okay, Park Lake, Florida, near DeLand. Well, this is amazing. I'm using my camera on my iPhone to photograph and record the night sounds here at Park Lake, and while I'm sitting here watching it get darker and darker, this sandhill crane has just walked right up in front of me, and now it seems content to share my edge of the lake. Absolutely amazing. Not scared of me at all. Absolutely amazing. It's looking at me while I'm looking at it. There's something splashing in the water close by. I'm guessing it's the other sandhill cranes walking up closer. We may end up having company. Yeah, here are the other two walking up. I think these are the parents, and that's a 1-year juvenile that just has not mated yet. They mate for life. So we'll let these fellows walk up to me and walk past. And then later I'll post this to YouTube. Not much light coming off of this camera. It's getting dark, dark, dark. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Another day ends at Park Lake near DeLand, Florida.